Me should I tell you don't trouble him to. Why you don't baby enough? I don't want my son there. If you don't be good, I'm not going to none of my views, okay? And do don't trouble my crazy them either. I don't leave my husband alone, yeah? When I did not dash it. I want to live off of spilled milk and drown in no sorrows. So it's the last year, all of the episode and the excitement and the trauma and the disgrace, when I not get no more of it. So I'm going to be able to look myself and do not trouble my husband. We're living in harmony and unity, okay? One day at a time, sweet Jesus. We're not dead, not dash right. Today for me and tomorrow for you. The greatest thing we are together. The greatest thing, love conquer all of what happened. And we're here toning down. Turning on no drama, forget. By the grace of God, I'm praying. Now, ask if I'm not praying, brothers and sisters. Me, Queenie. I pray. I like my nails, thank you. I pray, man. I ask Father God, I say, Father God, to come with single for 1 year. And this man come married to me. I know you could have never get somebody for married to me for just answer. I pray for my marriage, you know. And then I cuss and all sorts, you know. I go down on my knee and pray for my marriage, you know. Ask him, I said, do we pray? So it's a hard way to travel and a mighty long way to go. But I've been through the rough patch. And I think I deserve whatever is mine, which is my husband. No, baby, don't wear that top with it. You have the hat for that and the top. These shorts, so wear the grey shorts. Take off that one, put on the grey one then. You have the same color hat for that. Yeah. So, to God be the glory. I'm going to leave me and my marriage. You understand me? I'm a Dolly house. Regardless of how I come by Instagram, I come by Instagram, come cuss and go on bad when I see my marriage now go on good. I'm not knock myself here, but you know, I'm proud of. I never give up. Because I believe in my husband. I'm a believe in God. I'm never been doing married to me. You understand me? So, my prayer. So I'm not cuss about shoes and traveling and something. My emotion come first. My emotion come before shoes, traveling, all of these things. And I had to protect my emotion. No, never did it. I never put on no data. You understand? I never turn on my phone. I got up on my knee, big cat. Remember when Mama called me? But I'm crying. And last year, I look out at space and I say, what? Marriage mash up already? Our mama called me from the Sheffield and she said, Jay! God never make you married to Dewey. Fear and him mash up already. Pray, my sister, you are God fearing. That woman. Never forgot. She said, pray, my sister, you God fearing. I stop telling girl them so them to take him. Because you're more powerful. Last year, Mother's Day, me and my husband at it. From last year, March. So, I'm telling you, to God be the glory. I got on time. Great things he has done. What the little disgrace on the one say, but I could have lived my life. Nice, sweet me. Ear upon top of ear with my husband, I go through them the disgrace and embarrassment. Then also, all the embarrassment on the trap, I stand up strong. Because for better or for worse. That's a true wife. That's a real wife. My vows and my commitment to make in the eyes of God, a man, I never make shit. Yeah. All of my embarrassed. You know how much embarrassed I go through. Me, Queenie. That's why I love myself. I love my husband as well. Because we've been through the worst. I see two with it. You understand me? Enough time when they shamed upon my blood clot and I said, no! What? You understand me? So you can't compare with no one. There's no comparison. You understand me? To God be the glory. To God be the glory. Great things he has done. And so my mother's day dress soon, you know, make sure that one nice mother dress. But I'm never interested in a mother's day. We just interested to come up for yesterday. Last year when I tell Dewey say Monday, Dewey say crazy as Sunday, same way I laugh. Well, I think around Monday I got to Tuesday. Yeah, that's cute. My cute husband. I don't know if the same trim. Do them so them want to see a trim. Come in and take off the after the mask so I have to ask. Say no, don't mind do it. Trim. Yes, sir, crazy. Happy Mother's Day to honor all. Happy belated Mother's Day. And I know today is a different day. Something new are going to go on. Bleaching cream time. Bleaching. Anyway, man, doing something. And matter of fact, I go wash off again. And 2 times from mine, I wash off, you know. Over here at your farm. I think over here hotter than Jamaica, but it's nice. It's a good challenge. Alright, King, that do it. Oh, you can't see it on him foot for truth.
You got the sales through the air, they reach 4, and then 5, then 4 you reach, you got never say like that. And you sing a song say, featherweight a year, that this is one identity, one of it. One now with a year, fully done south. I always say now we mean mob yet. No job.
No, I'm not going to be able to smell like dog every back time. Yeah. I travel around, think like a dead goat and dead hog. No, I'm not going to be able to fucking chat to people here. You beard? You must stink like grass, like dead hog. No, yeah, ask me for beard. It's not a routine for me as a queen to get up and beard and present myself. You ever hear nobody say I smell money that I work out through internet if my blood clot? No, beard, I have to like me. I said, I could have beard and throw some of my dirty beard in water upon you. Make it so it come out from my body. None of blood clot going to beard acting like me. Ask my husband how much time for a man and he beard already. But we come from 5 o'clock something. Ask my husband, me and my husband fuck, I go back up bed. We fuck again and I go back up bed and this is my 3rd blood clot back. Just done eat some of the man rice and peas. Nice. I told man.
Get a second chance and see me them family. They are big up on the damn self. You hear that? They give me a scarf for living for life. Big up on the damn self.
A good journey that. Cut short. We survive it though. Do we buy in a drink all of the tea? Don't mind you. Only night, you know. Suki. Suki. I will suck it about my mouth. Oh, I'm suck. J, your mouth. I don't even remember. I feel them out. Them 2 rude, Suki. Anyway, I go up on the road. I dry my clothes and go up on the road later. I don't want to come in a fucking short, man. I don't take blood clot. Come beard with me, what? That's no one. You know what I say, man? Great pussy ear them. And all I really something them. So come. Since I was in the 7 beard, you know what I left my beard, I'm going to make sure 7 beard. Yeah? You know what I left my rice beard? Alright. Don't pass the towel, please. It's in there. You know what I left my beard? You know what? I don't like to know about it. That's no one. So come beard with the queen. I don't want to drink the after dirty water, I can't drink it. But not from a good tour. Come on.
One thing can't tell anything me. You know, me, none of this one of them affect me and that me tell you. They say, they want to repeat that fucker. Bomb chop, yo. Watch face. My face, big up yourself when everybody is coming down. Yeah, me can't read a fully done song to that.
Yeah, you're so wild.
Clock there.
Thank God you can read.
I want to go never left school with no blood clot subject. You hear that? I see me a same blood clot.
Living.
You have more money than you with just blood clot.
Are you a child?
That me I tell you.
You can't read like that, yeah.
That me
And then we can't read.
can't read, never passport. I can't read, never driver's license. I can't read, but I can go anywhere in I read. No.
Oh, whatever. Boom! Booping at them head.
I fully done to that. They hear that boy have 15 and 20 subject can't check to me because they not a blood clot visa. Embassy not give them none. I want to take because them too bright. Fully done yeah. Better go back in a history, go back in a book. Fully done side with it, too bright, they really don't want to see it.
Where's the nuance? You don't want to see draw them? No. One baggy, two baggy, three baggy. Yeah, them want to see them. Them like people disgrace. So them want to see them. It's 3 times from mine in my bed. And that's the 3 draws I'm going to take off. You know what I do when I draws? Booping at them. Hey, hey, hey.
No? Awesome, here, right? Where is it? Yay! Hear me now, man. See me, just be a shop for the big area, you know. That them where they are fit with. Hear me, I say, no, man. Here again, I'm not. If they big up at themselves. So the blood clot, if you want to be a quicker, shadow construction work. How the bomb clot is? I'm going to say right now, I just wash off. I'm doing swoop up from last night, everything I wash off all of that. That flight that we take come here. So I have nothing else to wash off because here we go. None of the bad mouth and the crosses mentality can't follow me. You hear that? So I don't need to wash you off. So I'm just going to say, come up back. Can't hold in a wallet. We know that can't hold in a way. Wallet that walk on cash.
Yeah, my Mother's Day dress. Happy Mother's Day, guys. I get this dress for you, Lord. For me, don't worry about nothing. I'm living in life. We not worry about nothing. My husband, you have your wife. Move on, blood. And I come early, come me smell bad arm. Come like a juice, my arm. Come bum flick on there. They're double bubble. This way you call double bubble. You put on 2 different deodorants. You see them there? One for me, one for you. Ricardo, thanks for this nice cologne. Bulgari. Dear cologne. I don't wear cheap cologne either. Come kill me and beat them with my sister. But I lie. Proper things.
Who wants to grey girl? Who wants to grey? See that? Still now I'm gonna see images, isn't it? Yeah, let's see size. That is it.
Him cut him ear. You will show them.
Yeah, show them, see that?
No, they're not seeing it, dude. That's not fair.
No,
Give them a little look, man. Give them a little bit. Look how this look.